Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a lovely day in the UK. Well, it started out to be very grey and rainy because it was raining yesterday, but today I thought myself I need to get out on the bike. Early morning ride. I can't get out on the unicycle because the trails and the gravel paths and stuff around my area is way too muggy and boggy. So I thought myself, let's get out on the bike nice and early. 7 o'clock I was out, and I did a big old round trip on the bike. Well, I've done 66 miles so far since I filled up, so it's probably about 70 miles so far. And yeah, it's busy clearing up, and the sun is coming out. So this is just a ride. I've adjusted the camera angle a little bit downwards, and I'm going to be doing this in the next few rides as well. I just had feedback from one of the, I think he's a subscriber, that the camera angle doesn't show the dash of the bike while I'm riding. Now this is an Osmo Action, and the Osmo Action doesn't have the super view like the GoPro has, and I've been holding off on buying a GoPro, especially the Hero9, because I want to, when I buy a GoPro, I want to be able to use it for my unicycle riding, and I want to use it for on the bike, because I swap between the two. So I don't really want to go for the Hero9. There's just so much complaints about the Hero9 locking up, and people losing recordings and stuff and whatever, and people trying different memory cards and whatever. So I thought myself, I'm going to hold off on the Hero9, and I'll wait. Hopefully GoPro will get the act together, and in the Hero10 or whatever they call the next one, it will be sorted, because yeah, it's just the internet is full of it, complaining about this. Now the thing is, some people might not have any issues how they use the GoPro, and that's perfectly fine. My only concern is I actually know of quite a few people, friends and colleagues, that has got them, and they use it just for fun of it, and it then locks up. Now when I get out and I do a ride, I want to be able to record video and not have to monitor to see when the GoPro is locked up or not locked up, or if I do if I want to capture some like a nice little road or whatever where I'm riding, and then when I get home there's no video, or it's froze. So there's no chance I'm gonna, then I have to do the ride again. It's like, what's the point of that? It's like it's super bad. So hopefully they'll sort this out. Also the screens, I've used one of the guys at one of my colleagues' GoPro Hero9, and the screen's response time, even with the latest firmware on, it's just shocking, really. I'm currently shooting with a DJI Osmo Action, and this thing is like old compared to action camera lifespans. It's DJI's first action camera, so it's not even a second, third, fourth generation, and it's just been rock solid, man. I even bought this one second hand, hoping that everything would be okay, and it's really good. And I used the voice recognition. Let's just get this so yeah, I'm going to be adjusting the camera a little bit further down and see what the view I could get. So yeah, I'm holding off on getting the GoPro because the Osmo Action has been really rock solid, so I could get out, mount it on my helmet, plug the mic in, and off I go. And also the Osmo Action's mic adapter is not a half a loaf of bread that I need to strap next to my helmet, onto my helmet. Yeah, it's just like an and it's also like an extra £50 for a GoPro mic adapter. What a joke, really. But yeah, because I was so close to buying one. I was even thinking of going for a Euro 7, because the Euro 7 you can still replace the front screen compared to the Euro 8, where you can't replace the front screen if you maybe drop it or it falls or whatever. So yeah, I was so close, and then I thought with myself, let's just wait a minute, a few months, and see if GoPro comes out with a nice camera. Also, the funny thing is that I've been seeing as well, GoPro's camera is getting larger and larger. So especially if you have to mount it to a helmet or you have to carry it around, it's sometimes you want something small. You know, if you ride mountain biking, whatever. But it looks like the GoPro is getting larger, but it's not getting any better features. And like the what's the Insta360 that I've got is becoming smaller and lighter and slimmer and smaller, and it actually gives me more features than a GoPro. GoPro is also using still the same old chip. It's like a CPU chip that runs the camera. It's a 3-year-old chip. Can you believe it? But yeah, and I think that's why the screen is so laggy, and it just doesn't perform very well, because they're trying to eke out as much performance or user experience out of a 3-year-old machine. It's like buying a 7-year-old laptop and thinking that it's going to be it's going to perform on the latest version of Windows, say 11, something stupid like that. So yeah, it's a little bit weird, but yeah, hopefully with a little bit of a down angle, I can actually get a better view for you guys. But yeah, man, that's the one trump card that the GoPro has got. It's got a that super view that gives you a really nice wide view of your of the cockpit and also of the road. So I'm going to be holding off on the GoPro, and then I'm also going to wait. Maybe DJI brings out something that it's will be awesome, because they are I think it's in the pipeline for the new Osmo to be launched some other time, the Osmo Action, because they just refreshed the DJI Pocket Mini, or the DJI Pocket, with a new camera. So if they can then take that camera and all those features and stuff and put it into the Action, then that's going to be nice. Because yeah, man, the Action's back screen and stuff is like really awesome, and they still update software to this camera, so super happy with it. But yeah, holding off, seeing what's happening, and then hopefully I can give you guys some a bit of a wider view, because the thing is, the GoPro does the super view with stabilization, where yeah, I don't have that feature. Okay, well guys, thanks for joining me on this short little ride, and I hope you have a lovely day. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you want to follow me enjoying and getting used to my Triumph Street Triple R, this is the standard version, please subscribe. Think about subscribing. And also, if you do like this little short ride video and my complaining about the GoPro, please drop a like on it, and I will see you on the next ride. Cheers guys, bye.